Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I just picked myself up the iPhone leather wallet. This is the Magsafe wallet that Apple just released with the iPhone 12 lineup. At first I didn't know if I wanted to pick this up because I saw a lot of rumors and reports saying that they fall off the phone easily, and I saw a lot of videos with people that had this on their phone, putting it into their pocket and then having the wallet fall off. But then I also heard a lot of people saying it doesn't do that, so I had to get it for myself to find out. First we're going to unbox it, and then we will kind of test out the magnet a little bit, put it in my pocket, which I know sounds kind of weird, but I do want to see if it actually falls off really easily, because I'm sure a lot of you guys want to know as well before purchasing this, because it ain't cheap, that's for sure, but it is a really cool gadget. And I think if it actually works, this could actually be a really cool product and eliminate the need to actually carry a wallet, because it fits 3 cards, and if you have 3 important cards like maybe ID, a credit card, and maybe like a debit card, I think you should be okay. So let's go ahead and unbox it and then do the actual testing. Okay, so super simple packaging here. It just says iPhone leather wallet with MagSafe. So it's a black leather one with an Apple logo. Nothing really on the sides. There's the back. It's just kind of telling you how to put it on, which should be pretty straightforward. So let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so in the box there is the MagSafe wallet, which I think looks really nice actually. Inside of that we get our Design by Apple in California with some paperwork and nothing else. That's pretty much it. Basically I got the 2 leather accessories here, so let's go ahead and put it on. Okay, straighten it up a little bit. Do a little shake test. That is not coming off. I'm trying as hard as I can and it's not coming off. It doesn't really feel like it's super strong on there. Like I'm barely touching it and it's kind of shifting, which I wish it was a little bit stronger, but I'm not really, planning on putting it in my pocket and like swishing it around or anything. But really like the stitching design of the leather there. I think that looks really nice. Then you've got the Apple logo. Since you're covering the one that's underneath it, it's nice to still have another one on top. One thing I am worried about right off of the bat is when I tried to take a card out, I don't know if you're like supposed to take the wallet off, but it's pretty well near impossible to get the card out without actually doing that. On the back here, just a little pull tab. Take that out. I'm trying to open up the wallet. It doesn't look like it wants to kind of like pop out, but it should fit up to 3 cards. And then over here, you can actually slide the cards out, which I'll show right after the unboxing. But overall, really happy with the quality of it. And the magnet, I just wish it was a little bit stronger, because I feel like it's going to kind of move around every once in a while. But I personally want it like square with the device, which I'm sure everyone else does as well. It's still really thin, which is nice. It doesn't add like a whole bunch of bulkiness to the case. Pretty low profile, and when I'm holding it, it actually kind of feels nice because it's almost like a grip. That's kind of how I'm holding it from this angle. So we're going to do the card test right now. It says up to 3 cards, so let's go ahead and try that. So there's 1, 2, 3 cards in there. Really low profile. It doesn't look like too bulky or anything. Now if you're trying to take the cards out with the MagSafe wallet still attached to the phone, you might have some difficulty. As soon as you try to grab a card, the whole thing is just going to move. So I'm assuming it was meant to be taken off of the actual phone, and then you can actually push the little tab here and pull the card out. Now if you want the cards that are in front of the back card, it's a little bit hard to jam your finger in there and pull them out, so you might have to pull out all 3 in order to get the card on the front, which is a little bit weird and a little bit annoying, to be completely honest. But I mean, hey, it's going to really minimize how many cards you have on you anyways, so that extra little step won't be like a huge deal. For me, just eliminating the need to carry the wallet with me everywhere I go and just using a MagSafe wallet is already a big plus. And if I have to take this off just to grab a couple cards, it's not really a big deal, considering I'm only going to have about 3 cards with me anyways. It's already really tight just with 3, so I definitely don't recommend to rip the stitching and try to fit 4 in there. Now let's go ahead and try to put it in my pocket. I'm going to do this like how I would normally put my phone in my pocket. I'm not going to be like, super cautious and try to avoid clipping it onto the coat. Me personally, I just grab my phone, toss it in, that's it. Grab it and then go on my way. So you can see the MagSafe wallet did not move at all. Now for pants, I know this might be a little bit biased because I normally wear like more leisure style pants. So if you're someone who wears maybe like skinny jeans, this might be different. So for pants, same kind of thing, just toss it in the pocket. When I take it out, MagSafe wallet didn't move again. Now jeans, probably going to be a different story because the pockets are normally right here and go down. versus athletic pants kind of go in the side. But for me personally, with like a coat or a jacket and these type of pants, totally fine. The wallet did not move at all. So it's a day later and I've actually used the wallet a little bit. And to be honest, I have nothing but good things to say so far. Just minimizing how much stuff I was actually carrying by basically eliminating a actual wallet and just using the Magsafe one was really nice, you know, just lighter weight. You're not carrying as much around. The 3 cards that I put in there was a credit card, my driver's license, and my gym card. The 3 most used cards hands down, and that was just really nice to just have my top 3 cards just readily available. And if you do need those other cards, like maybe some other credit cards, what I did is I just loaded them into my wallet on my iPhone, and now I can just use Apple Pay if I do need access to those other cards. So it's a really nice way to just minimize how much stuff you are carrying. So I am definitely a big fan of the Magsafe wallet. It does exactly what I wanted it to do. Leave a comment down below if you guys have picked one up for yourselves or if you are planning on getting one. Like I said, I think it's a good investment for anyone trying to minimize how much stuff they have with them. That is it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Right now I'm going to go do some Christmas shopping. Lots of content coming, so if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe because there are a lot more coming. Other than that, I hope you guys all have a great day and I will see you guys in the next video.